The much-anticipated Google Pixel Fold smartphone is set to release in June 2023 in select markets. It's packed with many high-tech features, including a 48-megapixel rear camera and the same robust Tensor G2 chip as the Pixel 7 series. With the 256GB model, starting at $1,799, you are going to want a high-quality case to protect your new investment. As such, we have done some research and have identified what we believe are the top 5 best cases for this device. Let's check them out in no particular order. Let's check out the Viaotaily case. One of our favorite features of this multifunctional case is the hidden card holder that fits 3 to 4 cards. If you are really trying to minimize the number of cards that you carry around every day, this case may be perfect for you. Next, let's talk about protection. The case offers military-grade protection and has soft TPU shock absorption, as well as raised anti-collision corners that effectively absorb and disperse 99% of the impact force from everyday drops, bumps, or falls. As we mentioned before, the stainless steel hinge is a very important component of this phone. This case features upgraded hinge protection with high-quality PC materials that provide the most durable protection. In addition, the built-in tempered glass screen protector adds a 2mm raised edge around the screen that provides an additional layer of protection against scratches. Further, the 3mm raised edge on the backplate protects the camera from everyday wear and tear. The door of the card holder compartment also works as a kickstand for the device, which I think is a pretty cool feature. Just don't lose your cards. This will free up your hands and allow you to multitask while using the device. Next is the fan-favorite Parallax case, which is now compatible with the Google Pixel Fold. This well-known full-body protective case provides a slim and functional 3D design with enhanced ergonomics and a secure grip. Made from TPU and polycarbonate for dual protection, the lifted edges protect the cameras and screens from daily surface scratches. The case provides complete closure and a seamless folding mechanic with precise engineering. This iconic and innovative case style mixes sleek colors, ergonomic tactility, and geometric patterns, resulting in a case that is designed to delight the senses. Featuring a durable and flexible patterned body, Parallax offers bold style and tough protection for your Google Pixel Fold. It is worth noting that this case features a best-selling design that won the Good Design Selection Award in 2016. It offers a confident grip and gives your Pixel Fold a distinct look that is sure to stand out from the crowd. Up next is the Spigen Slim Armor Pro. This case is engineered to ensure precise fitment around the phone and an enhanced user experience with the Google Pixel Fold. In my opinion, the anchor piece of this phone is the stainless steel hinge, which adds a touch of luxury to the device. As you can imagine, the hinge will get a lot of use over its lifetime. Nevertheless, this case is designed to allow you to fold and unfold the device with ease while protecting the hinge thanks to semi-auto sliding technology. The case provides daily protection from drops and corner impact shocks through a combination of air cushion technology and an innovative shock-absorbing foam material. The raised lips around the screen surface help to prevent scratches from everyday wear and tear. The case has open buttons for easy access and a premium solid finish to enhance aesthetics and your experience while using the device. Using the integrated sound tunnel technology, you can use the case to amplify audio output through a small concave design near the speaker. The TUDIA DualShield offers heavy-duty shock-absorbing protection and comes with certified military-grade protection and tough rhino technology for dual-layer protection against everyday drops, falls, and scratches. With all of this protection, it's hard to believe that this case still boasts a sleek and slim look. The matte non-slip texture design on both the front and back provides additional grip and comfort while holding and using your device. This is a sleek but tough case that is designed with precise cutouts for the easy-to-use tactile and clicky buttons that ensure everyday hassle-free usage. The integrated 0.6-inch lifted screen lip and 0.8-inch raised camera edges provide help to keep the phone's impressive 48-megapixel camera and high-resolution screen safe from scratches. The case comes in 4 different colors, including blue, pink, green, and black. I think the indigo blue is my favorite. Also, all of the TUDIA brand products come with a manufacturer's 12-month warranty. We are going to switch it up a bit here and move to a leather case for our last review. This case from Maxdara is a high-quality case that is made from a combination of leather and polycarbonate materials, which provides an elegant and fashionable look and feel. The case comes with a built-in tempered glass screen protector that allows for high-touch sensitivity and is designed to help protect your screen from scratches and everyday wear and tear. The back cover is also lined with a PC material and microfiber which protects the devices from scratches and provides added drop protection. It also comes with a built-in and fully adjustable on-demand kickstand that will free up your hands and allow you to watch a video from the perfect angle or study. This slim and lightweight design provides enhanced grip and a perfect fit that adds minimal bulk to your phone. The case is available in 3 colors, including blue, red, and black. I personally like the red version the best. Alright, those were our top 5 best cases for the new Google Pixel Fold smartphone, which is set to be released in June 2023. We would love to hear your feedback, so please comment down below and let us know which case you like the most. As always, if you enjoy our content, please do us a favor and hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate the support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.